Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
I'm Chris.
And I'm Ola, and we have a big storm, a brewing right behind us, so.
Oh, it's crazy. Yeah. It was perfectly sunny before, blue skies, and now it's raining on us. Like, actually, it started.
It just started to rain. Check out the clouds, they're so crazy looking.
I don't think I've ever seen clouds with like patterns like this. It's insane. But what I'm worried about is down there. It doesn't look as dark in the video for some reason, but that is very dark. Darker. So, oh! I think I got that. I think I got it. All right. Well, the water's clean and beautiful. That was lightning, so I'm not sure if this is a good idea.
Thunder.
Yeah, it's thunder. All right, let's think about this.
Chris, what'd you find? Yeah. It's a little fishy here. All right, we're ducking.
This is new too.
This is new. Hey, we got a little cooking grill area.
Oh, that smells horrible.
Well, it is nice and sunny over there. The storm is over here. Guys, it's raining. We're still attempting this.
Probably stupid.
Yeah, it's thundering. We did see lightning before. Haven't seen
You show me these clips?
anything. Oh yeah, check out the cliffs. The bluffs, I guess?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. A lot of washout.
Yeah.
Just think, like, over time, it's just gonna go away.
Yeah. Sad.
Well, that's the way it works.
I'm soaked already.
Oh.
That was lightning. Right over the water.
Yeah, we definitely we didn't get that on
We didn't
video.
get that, but you saw our reaction.
That is going out. Oh, it's light.
Oh, that was behind you. That was out on the water. We can go back under that. Oh, lightning behind us.
Is it? Okay, we're probably being really stupid by standing out here. And of course, the rain just started pouring. We walked a little further down, and now listen, we're doing this for you. So don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe,
The bell notification.
share, bell notification so that you get notified when we post, and support us. Get us to the next big number. Help us get there. I don't know if you hear that thunder in the background. Every time we turn the film off, then the lightning comes. We've had so much lightning like above us and in front of us. And yeah, we probably shouldn't be out here. So we'll catch up with you in a few. There's all back there. Sorry, I'm just kind of moving. Oh man, it's coming down like crazy.
Some crazy thunder. Almost our little shelter. I feel like a storm chaser. Whoa! Big gust of wind.
Oh, what's this thing outside?
Look, the rain's going sideways. We got lightning.
I'm missing the lightning. This is intense. Like it's fun.
Whoa, that was bright.
I'm the only one that thinks this is stupid.
That was definitely lightning. I think it overexposed the video. Oh my god, you can't see anything. Look at those squall on the water.
It got really cold all of a sudden too.
Yes.
I just feel soaking wet.
Yes.
Oh, because what it's doing is dripping off the roof and the wind blowing. Oh!
That was definitely above us.
Oh my god. I'm getting a little bit nervous.
I don't know if you could hear that thunder. Another gust of wind's picking up.
Ocean's a little bigger right now. I'm so glad we have it.
Check that out. It's hailing, I think.
It is hailing.
It's hailing.
Oh my god, there's hail.
There's hail. You see that on the ground? It's hailing. A little bit smaller than pea size. Seagulls are troopers. They're just waiting out the storm. They're just waiting out there. I feel like the wind's slowly going down.
I don't want to say anything. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how wet I got. Look at my pants. Look at the back of my pants. I'm soaking wet.
Me too.
My butt.
I got black pants on, but you can't tell.
It's dripping off the jacket onto my butt. It's so wet. It's like everything's getting wet. It's so uncomfortable. What an experience that was.
Oh, every time I turn, that's when the lightning goes.
It's above us.
Gotta clean the lens again. Oh, did I get it? That was a lightning bolt. The thunder is quite impressive.
Intimidating. That's what it is. This thing is like brand new, the shelter. I'm so glad they made it. I'm really glad. Look how wet I am right now. Green London's because the wind blowing.
It's hard to tell, but the sky, like, it looks like it's clearing enough that it's like blue coming through.
They come at the in the thanks for that flash. Oh, we just went from like spring to winter in like 2 seconds.
Yeah,
like,
for sure.
The temperature just dropped like 20-something degrees.
I'm still a little bit hesitant getting out from under here.
I'm not getting out yet.
It's not much protection, but I feel like a little bit more protected.
I know, it's probably a false sense of security, but I'll take it. But just think, if you were out there with that hail coming down.
Oh, that would have hurt. And those are just little, like, gravel size. Small gravel. I have like salt water all over my face.
It's getting lighter. The lightning's still going on though.
Yeah, it's getting lighter to where we originally wanted to walk to. It's raining hard where we parked our car. It's about a quarter mile down. It looks like we're someplace tropical.
Yeah.
The ferry got caught in the squall that came through.
Oh yeah.
Seagulls are still chilling.
I think it's coming through again.
I think it's coming back this way. I'm so cold. I kind of want to get back in the car for the seat warmer. It's still raining. We're still hunkering down. It's been like what, 15 minutes?
Yeah. Sorry, I didn't know we were gonna film.
It's freezing because it's
the temperature had to have dropped. Well, that's too, but the temperature had to have dropped about 20 degrees or so in that split second.
Yeah. When
that storm came through, it was like, oh my goodness. I don't even know what to say. I did a lot of complaining because I was like in the middle of it, but like it's awesome to experience, but you do really got to be careful. It could be really stupid, and that could have been dangerous if we didn't have this. So I'm so glad we saw this earlier.
Yeah.
And it looks brand new. So thank you whoever built this.
Right, we're still trying to wait out the rain, and
Yeah, it's still lightning and thunder a little bit.
Can't wait to get back to the car for a little bit of heat.
Yeah, it got cold.
I don't know. Are we doing the outro now or?
I don't know. Well, just in case.
Just in case.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that storm with us. So there you go. You know, we never know what we're gonna do. We thought we were going to a park. No, we're doing a shelter from storm chasing. And so, what do you want to say? Go ahead, lead us away.
To like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, tell your friends, watch our other videos, leave a comment down below,
and share it.
And we'll see you in the next adventure.
Will we?
Of course.
I hope so.
Bye, guys.
She's going for it.
Nope, coming back.
Change your mind?
Change my mind.
Good thing I stuck with mine. Rain a bit?
A little bit.
Yeah. Well, she gave it a shot, ladies and gentlemen. All right, we're committed to it this time. Yeah, I'm running. Not very quickly. My pants are weighing me down. I got about a gallon of water holding me. Oh, I was running before. Now I think she just gave up on it. She's like, it didn't work last time.
Chris is running. He's funny. Look at him go. Yeah, a tornado warning was issued, so we did see the rotation in the clouds before, and they did say hail warning.
I knew, I saw it, I said it.
Pretty crazy.
The wind coming off this
I don't think
ridiculous.
there was any tornado, but we're like getting the tail end right now.
I can't believe the waves. This is a small body of water. Like, this isn't an ocean or anything like that. The wind's so strong that these have to be like 2-foot waves, which with white caps. In this body of water, that's pretty different. Like, you don't see that very often. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of the car and take a picture, but we're kind of in some water right now, so I don't think I can get out, but try. No. Let's see. There's a lot of water droplets on the car. Holy mackerel, this wind is ridiculous.
The wind is crazy. I don't know if you can see the branches moving around. Check out that sun though. Very pretty. Look at the clouds. Windows are fogging. It's giving a little ethereal look to it. Look, another crazy person. Taking pictures.
He's picking up again.
It looks like we're in the water.